Now, the next question is, how do we conserve and get the best out of our space heater and conserve our gas and use it to its maximum? So what a lot of people actually do is they'll start when they arrive home or whenever, they'll start up the unit and run it at full blast, all three panels going for a good part of 15 to 20 minutes. So the area warms up, and then they'll take it down to either one or two panels, whichever, depending on the weather, to bring and just to maintain the heat in the room. So essentially, you have to work around it to what works in your space and works for you personally.